Okay guys, in this video I'll show you how to add the previously created images to Instagram as a story. So on your phone, so I'm recording this on my phone, go to Instagram first of all. On the homepage, click on longer to on your profile photo and select add to your story. And now, hello, and now you will be able to select from previously designed images. So click this and select the image that you design. And now you can pinch it with your two fingers to resize it to fit the screen a little bit better. And if you like it, you can post. However, I like to add certain elements to make this story visible. So as you can see at the top, you've got a panel with different elements to add, and you've got link, you can download it, and this little square here, it allows you to add elements, and I really like some of them. I really like hashtags. You can mention a profile, you can add questions. So for example, someone can ask you questions, you can add a poll. If you want to ask your audience opinions, you can add this kind of scale with a heart. You can add a quiz, so this is quite entertaining. I really like the quizzes. So let's have a look. Let's add a poll. I really like the poll, and then we can add a question. So let's ask a question related to the stay at home. Let's say we want to add a question. Are you working from home? Are you working from home? I'm not sure if it will actually this text, because it's a white font, it will be easy to see. Obviously it's not a great image as a background to display this this particular text, but this is just to show you the ideas, the different elements. And you can like it, you can simply select with your finger and drag it all the way down to this bin at the bottom, and it will be deleted, and you can add a different one. So let's have a look. We can add a hashtag, for example, stay home. So it makes your story a little bit more like gives us a little bit more visibility. If you click it, it will change the color, so you can change it, you can make it transparent. So I'll change it transparent and move it to the top. And remember that when someone views your story, this kind of top and bottom panel cover the elements. So remember, if you've got important elements, avoid those areas to display at the very top, at the very bottom. However, the hashtag is just for SEO reasons, so it's not that important. It's just for like the Instagram search engine. So let's have a look other elements we can add. So let's say we can ask, so let's say ask a question. How do you stay active during quarantine or during the quarantine? And then someone tell me I don't use those prepositions. I'm not sure if there are prepositions like a day, a d. Okay, so you can add it, but obviously it covers a lot of our beautiful image, but just to show you the different elements. And someone can type a question, and you will see it in your story data, in your notifications on Instagram. So okay, so this is how you add a question. Let's drag it, we don't need it. What else? We can add a quiz. So for example, you can add a quiz and then select which option is correct. So you can, for example, entertain your audience as well, but I don't want to. I want to remove it. I want to remove it. I don't know how to remove it actually. Okay, it's done. Okay, and obviously you can add different elements. Obviously I am doing it on Saturday, so I've got some kind of day elements. If I'm adding a sound story, so for example I talk to the camera, I add the sound on because stories are on mute as default, so I let people know that they should put a sound on to enable to hear the story. Okay, for example, let's add this one, thanks to Health Heroes. I'm not sure where it is. Did I add it? Not sure if I can see it. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so let's put it, for example, against this notebook so people can see. It's quite nice, actually. Okay, and then you can add a text as well. So let's say stay at home. And if you don't like this particular font, you can change it at the top. Just click this this icon at the top. Different styles like strong, classic, modern, and I like those that come with extra color background. So at at home, stay at home, and I'll add color background. Let's say, no, let's say any of those will do. Stay at home. Obviously it will be too much. It's just to show you that you can add that. Stay at home. If you don't like it, simply drag it to the pin at the bottom, and then you can design something with your fingers as well. So like this kind of a little designs. You can change colors of that as well. So click it, change color to a different one. Okay, and obviously if you don't like it, simply reverse. So okay, and then done. And if you want it, simply click send. If your website is connected to Instagram, you can decide to share it to Facebook. Sorry, if your Facebook is connected to Instagram, you can decide to share it to your Facebook page, and when done, simply click done, and that's it.